I am happy with this cordless hair clipper, and here is why. The hair clipper itself is very sturdy, has some weight to it, and looks well made. The gold color makes the wave design pop, and best of all, it is cordless and rechargeable. I like the simple one slide up to power on, and includes an LED power left indicator. This clipper is very nice and feels professional quality too. The clipper set also includes several accessories for desired cut size. I like to wear a goatee, so I first tested the clippers on the side to trim off the hair and see how low it would cut. It does cut low, but I still need a razor cut to go down to the skin. I then went over the goatee with the smallest size, as I like the goatee short. The clipper worked great and cut evenly across the goatee. I did need to cut around the outside with the razor to make it a close shave. Overall, this hair clipper is perfect. It felt smooth when cutting, and it did not pull my facial hair and cut evenly at my desired length. It is well worth the price, as it feels, works, and looks professional grade. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.